Do you want to add a Made with AI label in Facebook? You can enable the label as Made with AI Facebook with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add Made with AI label in Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Made with AI on Facebook is the content that has been created using artificial intelligence tools. You can enable this label on your AI-generated status, photos, or videos with a few simple steps. To add a Made with AI label to your posts on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the What's on Your Mind text box at the top of your newsfeed or from your profile page to create a new post. Now, click on the photo/video button and select the AI-generated photo or video you want to post on Facebook. If you have AI-generated text, simply paste it into the post text box. Once uploaded, add a caption, tag any relevant friends, and customize your post as needed. Now, look for the option AI label above the caption and uploaded picture or video, and tap on it. A pop-up screen appears. To enable the Made with AI label for this post, turn on the toggle button next to Label as Made with AI to indicate that your content was created with the help of AI. Once you have enabled the AI label in your post, click on the Post button to publish your content with the Made with AI label. Your uploaded post will now show Made with AI above the published photo or video. By following these simple steps, you can easily add the Made with AI label to your Facebook posts.